Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create 3D text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create 3D text box. Now going to the insert button option, then click. Now click for text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now you can see this text font size. Now going to the select from text box. Now going to the format option, then click. Now click for shape effect option. Now we select from 3D resolution option. Now we select from any 3D style. Now you can see, then again going to the shape fill option. Now this is for any color. Now you can see, then again going to format option, then select from shape effect option. Now select from 3D resolution. That it's. Now you can see create 3D text box in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.